when jacking up the Kitfox, you just place the jack underneath the axle. Once you've raised the axle, you can take off the tire and brake, whatever you need to do, and then get a block of wood and lower the plane onto a block of wood. When raising the tail of the Kitfox, you can place the floor jack right underneath the tail forward spring. The Kitfox has a ground handling handle, so pushing it around into its parking spot, pulling it around in the hangar, you just use the handle up here. And if you want to lift the tail up off the ground, get a block of wood and just grab the handle and lift it up and put the block of wood under it. So feel free to lift up on that handle to raise the tail.